Hello friends, today we are going to discuss how to use the maximum and minimum function in Excel sheet. Before going to start the lecture, I would request you to please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful video tutorials. So coming back to the tutorial, let me first of all insert the equal sign to use the maximum and minimum function on this data. Let me first of all explain to you or tell you what does max or maximum function means. If you want to find a value which is the largest value in your data, then you use the maximum function. And in opposite, if you want to find a minimum or the lowest value in your data, then you use the minimum function. So in order to use the maximum function, you have to write the equal sign and then max, and then select the range of data where you want to find the maximum or minimum value. So I would select this range and then close the bracket and then press enter. So in our data, which is this data, which is in this range, our maximum value is 94. So in opposite, if we want to find the smallest or the minimum value, then we write min and then select the range and then closing the bracket. This will give us the lowest or the most minimum value in this data, which is 44. My friends, I hope this video will add some value in your knowledge. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video.